Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add security question on your PayPal account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. PayPal is a digital solution for people who want to send and request money online. One can transfer money abroad to their friends, family, and several online shops using of PayPal. If you're a PayPal account, then all kinds of your financial information are stored in PayPal. So if you ever want to change your PayPal password and security question for any reason, then you can follow this step by step in this video how to add security question on your PayPal account. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our PayPal. You can log in into your mobile apps or paypal.com using your laptop or PC. Here's I'm using my laptop to log in into my PayPal account. After that, you can go to settings by clicking on the gear icon in here. Now you can go to security, click on security. You can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option security question. For your protection, you can choose to security question. This way you can verify it's really you if there's ever a doubt. Now you can click on create. You can select the question like what was the name of your first school, what was the name of your first pet. This, for example, I will choose just this one, and you can enter the answer. And for the second question, or you can, I will use this. Now, after you finish, enter the security question. You can just click on save. Quick security check. Can click on next. PayPal will send code to you. You can enter the code and click on submit. Now you are all set. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add security question on your PayPal account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.